Okay, so how to play a video on top of another video on top of another video in Davinci Resolve. Okay guys, so I have my footage as usual right here with my sexy wife, and let's say I want to add some videos on top of this video and I want them to play at the same time. Go to your media pool. Sorry, I was clearing my throat, almost died on this one. Bring another clip like this, and what you can do is click here on this thing. I don't know what you call it. Anyway, you click here. It doesn't give me the name. Okay, transform. And just do this thing here. All right, put it here. And I can add more videos. So I want to add this video again. Con los chicas a la playa. And put it here, for example. Okay, just do maybe, okay, no, here. Okay. And now if we play, let's click again here so we can remove it from the screen. Now if we play this, you can see that we have video on top of a video on top of another video. Okay, so people love to use this effect probably to make some funny videos. For example, if they live streaming with Cristiano Ronaldo, something like this. I don't know why you want to use it, but this is how you do it, man. I'm just trying to make some talk here. Trying to sound like I know what I'm doing. Anyway, that's it. This is how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this thing, make sure you subscribe and like. If you have any request for video editing or color grading or whatever the fuck is related to animation, graphic design, you can just let me know in the comments. I'll try to make that tutorial. Okay, thank you for watching.